Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open the Porsche Taycan spoiler. To manually deploy it, first access your vehicle's central infotainment system. From there, navigate to the Vehicle Settings menu. Next, select Chassis to locate the spoiler controls. Finally, choose Spoiler and then Extend to raise it. This gives you full command over its position, allowing for precise adjustments whenever you desire. Your Taycan's spoiler also operates automatically to optimize performance. It begins to extend when your speed reaches 56 miles per hour, providing initial aerodynamic benefits. For maximum downforce and stability, it fully deploys once you hit 99 miles per hour. When your speed decreases below 25 miles per hour, the spoiler gracefully retracts, ensuring seamless integration and efficiency during everyday driving. When you engage Sport Plus mode, your Taycan's spoiler automatically deploys to its performance position. This mode is designed to optimize the vehicle's dynamic handling and overall performance. The extended spoiler provides increased downforce, which is crucial for spirited driving and maintaining exceptional grip. It significantly enhances stability during high-speed maneuvers, giving you greater confidence on the road. Proper care ensures your spoiler functions flawlessly and maintains its appearance. Regularly clean the spoiler and its operating mechanism using a soft microfiber cloth and a mild automotive cleaner. It's also important to inspect the area for any debris or obstructions that could hinder its movement. Ensuring the mechanism operates smoothly without resistance will help preserve its longevity and performance for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.